On the Carnival celebration, this is the best balcony. Let me show you why. Now, this is a 360 video. It's kind of cool. So what you want to do is, if you're on your phone, all right, move it around. Look at me first, and then look in different directions, and you should be able to see Jacita on that side. See how she's moving the phone? That's what you can do. If you're on your Fire Stick, on your TV, you can push it different directions and look all the way up.
All the way around.
And all the way down. Left and right.
Left.
And see the whole experience. You're going to do that through the whole ship tour, and let's practice. See if you can look at the blue water out there. Alright? Carnival celebration, room 10458. My goodness, this is a great location. We thought our last location was good.
Man, this is even better.
Unfreaking believable. Let me show you how close we are to the elevator. This is the elevator. My goodness. Now let's go look at the bathroom and see exactly how great this room is.
And the shower gel actually smells good. I like the shower gel.
Oh, one thing about the shower gel, it doesn't lather great. So bring a loofah. Open the door, baby.
Loofah, ladies, you know we use shower gloves.
Well, I use a loofah. So if you can see it, well, just a little, tad bit. Bring a loofah so you can lather that soap up well. It works better. Yeah. Anything else about that room? This room? Oh, there's a footrest on the bottom so you can shave your legs. There is and it comes with shower gel and shampoo. You got to bring your own conditioner, but it got shower gel and shampoo. And then, we did that. That's cool. The toothbrush holders. Yeah. So that way they ain't got to spray your tooth with the cleaner, the toothbrush with the cleaner when they clean their bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah, I do like the fact that it sticks your mirror and it's up and it's covered, so you don't have to worry about nothing. Yeah.
Huh?
No mist.
All right. Let's show you the rest of the room.
All right.
Now, y'all can't see us. Just pretend we the voice of God. Because the
Jesus, is that you?
yeah, you can't see us because the mirror door is in the way. But as you see in the closet, it's got some hanging space, and it's got rows for you to put stuff on. And these shelves are adjustable. On the other side, it's got a safe and more adjustable shelf and a rack for shoes. Let me actually show you that. Let's see if I can do this without. Okay, so can you see the safe? Nope, you can't. Move it down a little bit. The safe and the shoe rack at the bottom.
So y'all, I really do. I love the space. Even if I don't use other organizational space, friend, I love the fact that it's available. So I do love the shelves that we can stack different things. I like the fact they have the lip so your stuff don't fall off when the ship is rocking.
Yeah.
All right, now you see this beautiful lighting. So this is where you sit down and you put on your makeup. They have this little footrest here so you can use it as your seat.
Yep, and the footrest got space in the bottom, so you can use it. It's got bedding in there now, so you can use it for each extra storage in the room.
Yeah, so ladies, you can sit here, put on your makeup, you have your outlets. So if you need to curl your hair while you're here, all of it right here. This is your makeup station.
Yeah.
The couch is actually comfortable too. We have taken some naps here. Didn't know we were going to. Thought we were just sitting down for a minute and then wake up like, oh, what time is it? So the couch is actually comfortable. If you do have a third person in your room, which we will not do that.
No.
This turns into a bed. We did it the first time. It was cool. We had that experience.
No, don't lie to people. It was not cool.
It wasn't bad.
No, it wasn't. Not happy. Did we ever done it again?
No.
It wasn't cool. All right, look at the refrigerator. So there's a refrigerator. Cooler. It's not a refrigerator.
It's not a refrigerator. It's a cooler.
Yeah, but it keeps things cool. We have juice in there. We have water in there.
Yeah.
And then next to the refrigerator, next to the cooler is storage. We're not gonna open it up because it's drawers hanging out. So you get two lower things of storage and then one up top.
Yeah.
And over here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but next to the bed, there is a, ow, y'all hurt me, you hurt me, hit my back. So next to the bed is a light, and under the light is a USB plug, and then it's on each side of the bed.
So for instance, like if you're playing your game at night, but your boo is asleep or trying to go to sleep, so have some lights so you can see, keep your phone charged while you're playing because of your USB port.
Yeah, and then you can always store your luggage under the bed. That's what we always do. This makes it safer. Now let's go see why. This is why I really started watching the video. Y'all want to see the balcony.
This balcony is fire. So today, y'all, we are in Aruba, and the water here is just beautiful. It's just a pretty turquoise color. We have seen some pretty sights today.
Yeah.
But yes, we brought you out here because this is our favorite spot. And this isn't your typical balcony. I don't know what it is about the 10th floor, but the balconies are twice as long. And I'm gonna demonstrate. Now I'm short. I'm like 5'2". But let's see how many of me I can get across. So I'm here. I'm gonna flip around. I'm here.
Yeah.
So this is the length of our balcony, y'all.
Right. And what makes this, I actually show them what makes it special. I'm gonna see if y'all can come with me. So it's only the back of deck 10. And the reason you get this balcony is right here. It's over the suite deck on deck 9. And so they have the longer rooms on deck 9. And so, because they have the longer rooms, they gotta have something above it. And so they give you extra balcony space on deck 10. This, I think, is the most valuable balcony that you get the most value for the least price. Actually, I think on all the ships, on the whole ship. Because you get the larger balcony, you pay standard balcony prices, and the suites, they're all right, but they're not that much of an upgrade. And so for this balcony, on the back of deck 10, you can have a table, you can get some extra chairs up here. Carnival won't provide them for you, but if you throw one of those small foldable chairs in your luggage, you can have a card party on your balcony. So y'all look around, move the camera around, move the phone around, click on your fire remote, look at the balcony, enjoy the scenes of Aruba, and we're gonna sit here for a minute and let y'all take it in.
This was a good day.
So thanks for hanging out with us.